lot of you guys struggle with this particular lesson, but I'm going to show you a very easy trick to master this in a really, really simple way. Please bear in mind that this is only the basic level, which means that it is without all the other tricks that they can give you, but I promise you that it will help you get over the first hurdle of passing active and passive voice. So what do you need to know for leidende en bedrijvende vorm? So you need to know Stompie really well. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Stompie is the acronym we use for sentence construction. So it starts with the subject, then time, object, manner, place, and infinitive. Okay, and then there'll be verb 1 over here in between S and T, and verb 2 over here between P and I. So if you do not know how Stompie works, I would really advise you to just familiarize yourself with it before you start here. Now, the second thing you need to do is be able to identify the object and start the sentence with it, and I'll show you how to do that soon.